Five CRMs you've probably never heard of. The first one in the list is Breakcold. It's a simple sales CRM for email and social power users, especially LinkedIn. One of the most unique thing about the CRM is that in just one click, when you go to your leads, you can not only access your past email conversations that are auto sync, but you can also auto aggregate the LinkedIn post of your prospects. You can engage with them. You can even find keywords that are related to your business so that from there you can engage with these softwares. And yeah, this guy, he mentioned us. That's pretty funny actually. And the thing is, from there, like it auto sync everything. So LinkedIn conversations, email conversations, calling activities, your notes. If you're using an AI note taker, is going to be pushed automatically as a note there. So it's a very powerful CRM if you're an SMB and that essentially using both traditional sales prospecting channels like email, but also calling and socials like LinkedIn specifically. If Breakcold is not for you, even though it has Telegram inside of it, you also have FreeSum. I don't know if it was the best name for this company, but essentially it's a dedicated Telegram CRM with AI built in. And so you can do many automations when it comes to Telegram. You have also AI summaries, and it's really like a rising star when it comes to be like the number one Telegram CRM. Then, if you care more about Twitter slash X, you have inboxes. It's essentially a unified Twitter inbox software, but it also has CRM capabilities. And so from there, you can just use it, and they have a very good advantage because they are paying for the enormous $42,000 per month API access from Elon Musk since he bought Twitter. So you will not have problem with when it comes to reliability, which is the problem for other softwares in the shadow. Then, if you all about WhatsApp, you can check out Wati. Wati is a dedicated CRM for WhatsApp, more in the B2C side, to be fair, from what I see right there. They have like a good shared team inbox, chatbots. It's less designed for B2B companies, but if you really care like about like WhatsApp automation, Wati is the thing for you, hands down. All right, and the last software in the list is Attio. So my software, Breakcold, I would say it's the modern alternative to Pipedrive. And when it comes to Attio, I would say it's the modern alternative to a HubSpot or a Salesforce. Even though, like, I would say it's more fit if you have like a very big SaaS software that is product-led growth with enormous data inside of it, especially stored in like softwares like segments. In that case, Attio is probably one of the best software for you that you can find at this moment in the next generation of CRMs, along with Breakcold, which is more like for smaller SMBs. So in that case, if you're really above that, Attio is a very good fit for you.